When you focus on the good things, all things under the sun, you free yourself from negativity and then the good shall come. The choice is yours. Well, you're right, the choice is yours. Oh, the choice is yours. Taking it easy. The choice is yours. The choice is yours.
The choice is yours and the choice is mine. You can't please everybody all of the time. You can open, pray, things will be just fine. But might not know till the end of the line. Happiness is only a state of mind. Open your eyes and in time you will find. Open up your heart, let your love light shine. And it don't cost a penny, nickel or dime. Give a little love and give a little like the way that it goes. What goes around, say come around, so everyone knows. What you give is what you get, so take a look, cause it's true. Picking up your brother anytime you feeling low. Hooking up a challenge, phone, a slip of buckaloo. Moving up the best and nothing less than I do. When I'm smoking up my split, don't burn it fast, I like it slow. Moving up in a style, up in a fashion, I'm so cool. Opening up the door, when the time another door is closed. Moving through the light and from the dark, now we exposed. When I'm reaching to the sky, just spread it out and let it grow. Never do a thing because somebody say you so.